What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be doing this guy's makeup. I've wanted to do this video for a long time, but we haven't had time, and so I told him today Can you not? So I told him today we're gonna finally do it. He's hitting his head on my back, but I'm gonna recreate this look on him. Stop. So this is the look I have right now. I know it's hard to tell. Let me see. Maybe I should turn this ring light off. But this is what I'm going to do. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette when I did it, so I'm going to be using that on him. And I'm basically going to do my whole face the way I do it on this, on this face. Although this face has a little more hair on it than mine does, so that might be a little problem, but we'll work with that. So I'm gonna wash his grungy ass face first, and then we'll get started. I just washed its face. Oh, now my nose itches. And now I'm gonna start with the eyeballs.
Okay.
I'm gonna start by priming the eyelids with Shape Tape. Shut your eyes. Shut your eyeballs. Babe, shut your eyes.
Hey dude, I have contacts on, remember?
I know.
My right one's like somewhere behind my eyeball now.
You just...
What?
You look like a floating head. Look at you.
The rest of me is here.
It is a little floating head.
It's all here.
Alright, now I'm gonna start the eyeballs.
What if this gets in my eye?
It's not going to, and if it does, it doesn't freaking matter. Alright, now I gotta switch brushes. Do you feel pretty yet?
No. Not yet. I don't know if I'll ever get there.
Well, that's rude. Now it's time for the glitter. It's called Purple Rain, Purple Rain. Shut the eyes.
You know, sing that.
Prince or something. Because now we're both floating heads.
You move my drink.
Oh my god. Alright, that's better. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. Now we're not floating heads. Look how close we are now. Ah. Oh, you can actually see my makeup now. See, this is the similar look I'm gonna do on
This guy, he's just so cute.
Shut the eyeballs, babe. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're like, You feel pretty, don't you? Time for my favorite Tarte Chrome Paint Pot Gold. Glitter. Shut the eye. Shut the eye. Ah, it's so pretty. I love these things. I need them in every color.
Gee, thanks. Eyelids so weird.
They look pretty.
I feel.
Okay, we're back. Now it's time for the eyeliner since the eyeshadow is done. You look funny. Shut your
You're
eyes.
not poke my eye.
Shut your eyes. I don't know how good I'm gonna be at doing this on you. It's not awful. You can open now. Why you look so angry?
This isn't exactly my plan of what I would want to do right now.
Shut your eyeball. That's your boss. Basketball is canceled.
No, it's not.
Next! You might want to move that. My hair gonna get in it. Let's see. Open that bitch.
Oh, you're so pretty. You look so pretty.
My eyes feel weird. I don't like this.
Why not?
They feel weird.
How do you feel?
Weird.
Let's zoom in, see what we got so far.
The fuck is happening to me?
Close your eyes. Now turn the other way so they can see the other side. Close your eye. Yeah, I'm not very good at doing wings on other people. I got better eyelids than you. I never realized how big like my eyelids are. He always tells me I have big eyes and I say, no, you got big eyes too, but it turns out he's got small eyes. Now it is time for lashes.
You're not gluing lashes on me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Babe, then the look just won't be complete.
I didn't glue ones on you.
That's because you don't know how.
I don't want eyelashes.
You have to.
What if I have a reaction to them?
You're not going to. I'll use subtle ones on you. They're not super crazy. Which ones shall I use? I have so many. I'll use these ones. I like these ones. Let's see. Shut the eyes. Let me see if they're the right size. Yeah, we're good. You gotta sit back. What are you doing?
I'm very uncomfortable.
Sit back. What's wrong with you?
Very uncomfortable.
Do you feel pretty? When do you think you'll feel pretty?
I don't know.
Okay, shut your eyes.
I can't do them. I'm not doing it.
Open!
I can't. I'm gonna start crying.
Why? You look
Because it feels weird.
You get used to it.
My eyes are watering.
Open your freaking eye.
I can't.
Babe, you'll get used to it. They just take a minute to adjust.
You did something wrong.
No, I didn't. What are you doing? Why you look like... See?
What do I see?
You can see it?
Yeah, there's a huge fucking
See?
black thing on top of my eye.
Well, yeah. When you do that, you can see them, but you adjust to them. I don't even know that mine are on anymore.
Nope, I see it.
Alright, well, you can take them off once we're done.
I would hope so.
Look how pretty your eyes look now, though. Look at that. Alright, next. What's wrong with you?
This is terrible.
Jeez.
Maybe they gotta be stretched out. Why do I see it?
Shaking your head is not gonna make it go away.
Look like I have a spider on my eye.
You adjust to them. I used to think that at first, too. You look like you're on drugs.
I feel like it.
Oh god, you're so weird. Looks good though. I did.
Feels like I got a Swiffer Sweeper duster on my eye.
I did better putting it on you than I do putting them on me. Yeah. It's like a windshield wiper.
Working at the car wash.
What?
I don't like these. These gotta go.
Your very name's really jacked up, but I'm not gonna make you go through me redoing it because it's not that serious.
Oh my god.
And you can't tell from far away.
I feel like they weigh 500 pounds.
Don't they feel weird? That's how I used to feel. It's like hard to open my eyes when I had them on.
I don't like these.
You look good.
Hurry up and finish. These
Oh.
gotta come off.
Wow, okay. Next is foundation. I don't have a foundation that's gonna match you because you're pretty pale, so I'm gonna use my lightest shade. I'll use this one because it's the lightest one I have and you're Pale. Pale. Stop burping! What did you eat today?
Something I always eat. Ew.
I knew you were gonna say
Ew!
Babe, can you like...
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I skipped primer because I know he would freak out with this, so I didn't want to do too many moist things on him.
This is disgusting. I have Elmer's glue on my face.
Shut your lips like this, babe.
My nose hurts.
Feels what?
Feels nasty. I feel like I got Elmer's glue all over it.
Look how nice it looks though. You look airbrushed. Time for concealer to get rid of these bags. These bags ain't Louis.
Or what shit.
Mm-hmm. You can open your eyes, babe.
Oh my god.
I don't want to get it all over the lashes.
Oh my god.
How much do you love me right now?
I love you.
That's it. Look how pretty you are. Time for it. This is a bronzer. Except this might be hard on you because you got hair all over your face. Nice, look at that. Them cheekbones could cut a bitch.
I don't want to play this game anymore.
Why? Because you're looking at yourself.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like this.
We're in a little too deep.
I don't like this.
Alright, we're almost done though. Why are you like an angry child?
Because I don't like this.
Why are you being such a baby? I'm pretty good at this. Now it's time for my favorite part. That highlight. I'll use the ColourPop one on you. Nice. You can open your eyes. I know you don't want to. I knew you were going to say that. I tried to fix his eyebrows off camera, but there's not much I can do to fix those because like he just needs them done. So we're nearly done. It's time for the lippy stick. He's not happy with me right now. I don't know why. What?
I don't like this.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What don't you like? Your lips are so crusty and disgusting. You got no top lip. Can you rub them together? Why did you just move like that?
I make me want to sneeze.
Can you rub them together?
I don't want to touch these together at all.
Rub them together.
Use your finger.
Rub them together, babe.
Use your finger.
My what? My what?
I don't want to touch them together.
Use my what?
They're sticky.
Use my what?
Finger.
You're such a brat.
I don't like this.
Can you shut your mouth?
Ugh.
What's wrong with you?
Well, how do you feel then? Do you think I did good?
I smell a lot of different smells.
Only the lipstick smells. Whoa.
And I feel like I see something above my eyes.
Only the lipstick smells weird. But you look good. Do you feel beautiful? Hello?
I don't know what beautiful feels like.
It feels like this.
I feel sticky. Like I have Elmer's glue on my face.
But you don't.
And my lips.
Smile for the camera.
Close up of him. Shut the eyes. Oh, so pretty. I did so good. Except I couldn't even,
weird.
I could barely get under your eyes because you're so antsy. So your little circles are still there. Alright, we're done here. He wants to get this makeup off. He's crying like a little baby because he says his eyes feel weird.
Yeah, my lips.
On his lips. So I'm gonna wash this makeup off of him. I hope you enjoyed. I mean, who wouldn't enjoy watching us?
I still can't touch my lips together.
I'm gonna go wash his face and my camera's gonna overheat. So make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Okay, love you, bye.